This is a fascinating place to work.
Sides with a twist.
Sides with a twist.
Look, the turkey's doing the twist.
Yes, I see.
And we're going to be doing the twist. I'm ready. So, you know, when it comes to Thanksgiving, the turkey's important, or the main dish, but also the sides.
Oh, the sides are more important than the turkey.
So we don't want you to just do the regular sides. We're going to give you sides with a twist. So today we're focusing on the mashed potatoes, and we're putting something different in there.
Ed is here. He owns a place. Well, you're kind of the chef and CEO of this place.
Chef and CEO, yeah.
It's Grubr.
Grubr Kitchen.
In Medford.
Medford, New Jersey.
And so we noticed that you put hummus in your mashed potatoes. Now, look at the finished product here. It looks fantastic. I've never seen it before.
Exactly.
I've never tasted it.
And then let's show the original. This is the original mashed potatoes.
Original.
No hummus in it?
No, no hummus.
Okay.
Whole milk, butter, cream cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's make it. What do you say?
So, the great thing about hummus mashed potatoes, they're gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Vegan.
Vegan.
And they have protein from the chickpeas.
Oh, that's true. Added protein. But why would you put, what made you put hummus in there?
Because we have a ton of guests that we entertain that are vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, dairy-free.
Oh, the dairy-free, yeah.
Dairy-free's big.
Yeah.
Dairy-free's big.
All right, so okay, there's no dairy in your mashed potatoes?
Those mashed potatoes have coconut milk and olive oil.
Okay,
And
can I throw it in?
Throw it in.
Kaboom.
Kaboom, I love it.
Clunk.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Let me push the potatoes back here so maybe we can see it. All right. From our 1962 set.
So those mashed potatoes.
Go ahead.
So those mashed potatoes are done. We're going to add the hummus.
Okay. And is this just regular hummus? You just round up chickpeas?
So we take chickpeas, whether you can use canned or dried. If you're going to use the dried, you have to soak them overnight.
Okay. I usually do canned.
Okay. So and you'll use the liquid as well because it makes the hummus taste better.
Okay.
How did you whip it into that shape?
Oh, 5 minutes in a food processor nonstop.
Okay.
Alrighty.
There it goes.
Let's go.
Let him scoop it.
There
Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Also, this for added effect. Okay, there we go. Hummus on top.
So chickpeas, tahini, which is a sesame seed puree. We're not going to throw that in.
No.
Oh.
That's just...
So that's already in the hummus?
Yeah, it's all this is in the hummus. Chickpeas, sesame seed puree, lemon juice, olive oil, and garlic.
And that's it.
And salt. That's it.
What's this?
That's a pink Himalayan sea salt, and that's black pepper.
So then you just basically stir this up.
That's it. That's it. Well, this is the final product, right?
That's already all that ingredient is in there.
Yeah, all the ingredients.
So it makes it creamier? Is that the thought, too?
I mean, it gives it more flavor.
More flavor.
Okay, we get it. We get it.
I love it.
Get
Well,
that
I
out
want
of
to
here,
know
will you?
why. Where are we supposed to put it?
I don't know. Give
Here,
it to Bob.
There we go.
All right, let's get into this.
Couple spoons right there.
All right.
Thank you, Michael.
So we garnished it with chives and toasted pumpkin seeds.
Oh, toasted pumpkin seeds. I'm going to go right for the orange.
Yes, you got to have it.
A little bit of paprika. They're actually really good.
This is good.
Can I just say this is really, really good.
And I don't know if I can really taste the hummus anyway.
It's completely unique. And once again, if you have guests, because there's a ton of dietary restrictions today, right? And if you have guests that come over, easy, simple, protein.
I like the added protein.
This is fantastic.
I could really just keep going.
It's on the menu today?
On the menu today in one of our vegan meals.
But you're all takeout, aren't you?
We're all takeout. Fully prepared meals, takeout. And we do home delivery 2 days a week, Wednesday and Sunday.
Will you be doing takeout then close to Thanksgiving so people are going to have it on the table?
We do have a full Thanksgiving menu available.
Very nice. Thank you. It's great.